Alright guys, today we are on the Big O. So the first video was Cedar Creek in the series of Where to Ride in Michigan. I kind of changed it up a little bit. The title is going to be Ultimate Guide to Dirt Bike Trails in Michigan. Today we are on the Big O. We picked up this trail from one of my favorite places in Michigan, which is Whiskey Creek Campground. It's only a mile down the road from this trail. Whiskey Creek has its own single track from previous hare scrambles, and then if you get sick of riding that, like I said, this is literally a mile down the road. And as far as single track goes, this is probably one of the easiest ones I've ridden in Michigan. So if you like single track but you still like to have some really good flow and be able to move along at a really good clip, this is definitely your trail. And the only catch is you technically have to have a headlight and tail light to get on the road in Custer Township to pick this trail up. So with that being said, if you got a headlight and tail light, you gotta go check it out. It's an awesome trail. It has, I'd say at least half of it is not hard packed, but it's a solid trail with a little bit of sand here and there, but not much. There are a decent amount of whoops on it, but I personally like whoops, so yeah, it's one of my favorite trails. So anyways, try to keep this video short, and you guys can just kind of get a glimpse of what it's like in general. And then the last clip of the video, we're going to be going out of the trail back onto the road, and if you just watch the whole video, you'll see how close the trail is to the actual campground. So with that being said, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you do, please hit the like, leave me a comment. Any questions you have, drop them down in the comments, and I always answer them. So alright, next trail will be next weekend, to be determined. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so today guys, we're on the Big O. This is going to be the second video of Where to Ride in Michigan. And the last video I did was at Cedar Creek, which is 50. And this is a single track, although it's one of the wider and easier single tracks for sure. It's got, for single track, it's got real fast flow. Lots of trees down this year on the Big O also. So if you do come and ride it, be on the lookout.
it feels so good to get out and ride good dirt. A couple trees down in here somewhere, I just can't quite remember where. It was dark last night. Find them. There it is. On the big O towards Ruby Creek. Okay guys, now we're coming back to Woods Trail. We just came the direction of from Ruby Creek, so you hit Woods Trail and you take a left and you go right back to the campground where we're going to start from. So I will keep the GoPro on just so you guys can see that it's only about a mile down the road. Like Whiskey Creek. I know I've said it before, but they have an indoor pool, a swimming pond, a fishing pond, on-site store with any kind of alcohol, food, whatever you need. Also, they have rec fuel. That's 90, that's premium, no ethanol. And then, like I said, the Big O is a mile down the road, so can't beat it. Not to mention all the single track that is on the property of Whiskey Creek, because they've had hare scrambles here for the last 3 years. So you got all that single track to run on property, which is pretty gnarly. Then if you want some easier state stuff, you just go down the road to the Big O. I guess I should say I'm going a little too fast. You're supposed to be on the shoulder of the road, 25 miles an hour and under. And here we are. The red building is the Whiskey Creek Lodge and Store. As you can see, the campground there. So that's how close you are to a state trail. We got toy haulers, campers. There's, you know, full hookups. Got a lot of rustic, pretty much unlimited rustic. Like I said, beer, food, water, pop, gas, like you never have to leave. So just another idea for you guys.